Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods Max and I'm going to tell you how can I easily pair these headphones with your Android devices. Here I do have Google Pixel 8 phone, so don't worry, it works with all Android phones. At first we have to enter settings and here we have to go into connected devices. Here we have to tap pair a device. Now we have to hold this volume crown button and ANC button until this LED light goes blinking quite slowly. It won't take much time, so don't worry. Now we are in pairing mode, and as you can see, pairing device, AirPods Max, we have to tap on it. Here, pair. Now we are paired with our AirPods. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.